What if I told you, most home cotton candy machines are a sticky, disappointing mess? We spun over 50 pounds of sugar through 15 top machines, testing heat-up time, fluffiness, and meltdowns, and the results will shock anyone with a sweet tooth. One viral machine barely produced a single cloud, while our number 3 pick created carnival-quality cones in under 60 seconds. If you want to bring the fair home, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Nostalgia Cotton Candy Machine. The Nostalgia Cotton Candy Machine is a compact and easy-to-use cotton candy maker that allows you to make fresh cotton candy in minutes. Compatible with all Nostalgia Cotton Candy kits, it comes with 2 reusable cones, 1 sugar scoop, and 1 extractor head. The suction cup feet provide extra stability and the unit disassembles easily for fast cleaning. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a relaxed family weekend, this pink cotton candy machine is perfect for creating a fun and delicious treat. Number 2. Nostalgia Retro Countertop Cotton Candy Maker. The Nostalgia Retro Cotton Candy Maker is a vintage-style countertop machine that allows you to make delicious cotton candy using flossing sugar or your favorite hard candies. With its unique extractor head, you can easily create fluffy cotton candy in just a few minutes. This unit is compatible with Nostalgia Cotton Candy kits, including the Cotton Candy Flossing Sugar and the Hard Candy Party Kit. The retro design and details of the machine will take you back to the nostalgic era of record-spinning jukeboxes and American muscle cars. The clear rim guard not only acts as a protective barrier but also lets you watch the cotton candy being made. The unit is easy to clean as it disassembles, and the suction cup feet provide extra stability during use. Bring the joy of cotton candy to your home with the Nostalgia Retro Cotton Candy Maker. Number 3. VIVO Pink Electric Cotton Candy Machine. The VIVO Pink Electric Cotton Candy Machine is a powerful and easy-to-use cotton candy maker. With 1030W of power, it can transform hard candy or sugar into woolly cotton candy, producing up to 2 to 3 servings per minute. The large 20-inch stainless steel bowl and sugar scoop are included, making it easy to use and maintain. The unit disassembles for easy cleaning, and it is backed with a 1-year manufacturer warranty and friendly tech support to help with any questions or concerns. This cotton candy machine is perfect for parties, events, and commercial use. Number 4. VEVOR Electric Cotton Candy Machine. Introducing the VEVOR Cotton Candy Machine, your perfect companion for all your cotton candy needs. With its 1000W heating power and larger candy bowl, this machine is designed to meet your commercial demands, producing up to 6 cotton candy cones per minute. The digital temperature control allows you to easily adjust the temperature, making it ideal for trying out different flavored sugars. Operating this machine is a breeze. Simply warm it up, pour in the sugar, and collect the cotton candies with the sticks. The user-friendly designs, such as the candy box for extra storage and the sealing treatment components, ensure a hassle-free experience. And with its compact size, it is suitable for countertop use and perfect for carnivals, festivals, parties, and sports events. Number 5. Ajgvq Cotton Candy Maker. The Ajgvq Cotton Candy Maker is a powerful 1000W machine designed for high efficiency, allowing you to create 3 to 5 cotton candies every minute. You'll appreciate the easy operation with a user-friendly voltage display and adjustable temperature control, making it simple to customize your candy-making experience. The temperature control feature ensures you can fine-tune the output speed by adjusting the voltage, which is particularly useful for different types of sugar. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel, this machine also prioritizes safety and stability, so you can enjoy smooth operation during your parties and events. So, which cotton candy maker will you use to become the party hero? Spill your sugar rush in the comments. If this sweet review saved your celebration, spin that like button. It helps us make more. Creating more fun food tech? Subscribe. Next week we're testing snow cone makers. All our top picks? Link below. Stay sweet.